Back here with Nomad Steve with Nomad RVs here in Toms River, New Jersey. Today he's going to give us a tour of a Sprinter campervan conversion, so join us.
This is a customer supplied van. This is a 144 inch with a new layout we did. Up top you can see 350 watts of solar, max air fan, and a Domestic RTX 2000 12 volt air conditioning. As we step in, you have your flip up countertop. You have dual swivel seats. We added those to the van, did not come in factory with those. Up above the seats, this is a vanlife components headliner shelf with a bar here for a curtain if you don't want to use the blackout shades on your windows. Right behind the driver's seat, you got main controls for your lights, both shower and the main cab area, along with your Renogy 3000 inverter charger and an outlet. You got your little light here too for this area. We put a nice backsplash on here for the customer. This is vinyl, so it's lightweight. Up above that, you have your microwave, and then you have your Domestic 110 liter fridge freezer. On the floor, this is our waterproof flooring. It's vinyl. Below that is 3/4 inch subfloor. Below that is 1/2 inch polyiso. On the subject of insulation, we do double layer thin slate everywhere, except for the ceiling we do single just due to the thickness. You can see here, you get your max air fan. This is the 7500K, so it's the top of the line from them. We have 1/4 inch cedar ceiling. You can see how we finish everything. We carpet it all metal, get rid of everything. This is actually some wood here too, because otherwise there's the screw holes from the sliding door rail. So we get that all finished off beautifully, so you don't see all the metal you see in a lot of builds. Flip up countertop. You have your cook space or prep space. The reason we did not do a built-in is due to the actual countertop size here. So you have your space you saw by the fridge, and then this space here. So we want to be able to have it flexible. So it's a portable induction. You can use it in multiple spots or outside, and you have options. You got your big stainless steel sink here, drying rack. It's nice and deep too. You got your 3 drawers here, and then you got your big space here. That's going to have your 5-gallon gray tank for the sink, a way to put the induction cooktop away in there and all that stuff. Switches behind, GFI protected. You also have your water pump, water heater, and a dump valve. Dump valve is for your shower. So behind me, you have a 24 by 36 inch shower, retractable shower door, and then we have a compo closet, composting toilet there that you take out for when you shower, or you could shower with it there, but it's easier to just move it out of the way. All stainless steel fixtures for this client. Give it a nice look. And as you move back, you have a split bench the customer decided to go with instead of a fixed bed to give him more space. So you got 2 lagoon mounts, split benches that could then convert into a bed. We'll show you that a little bit later. But we put on both sides of the benches outlets and USB ports. The reason we do those on those walls because there's not too much space, so we kept everything below so you can still work and have all your power for everything you need there. You have night lights. They click on with the light bulb itself. These have your extension pods. They're Backland Expedition gear that has AMA windows inside them, bunk windows. The Backland Expedition gear pods are insulated. That's why we always use them. We'll show you those on the outside so you can see how they're finished off. You also have your SPAR S2D2 heater controller right by your bed, so it's easy to break the morning cold if you want to, if you didn't set up a timer already. You have all that set up for you. Right above us, RTX 2000 12 volt air conditioning. And that's going to be powered by 600 amp hours lithium in this van, and we'll give you a little tour on that. So it's on this side. What we did was, you have storage there. That's for your bedding, blankets, pillows, or any other spot you want in there. And below that is your access to all your electrical. So you see there, 600 amp hours lithium. You got your main breakers for your 120, all your 12 volt fuses, main fuses behind the Lynx distributor, main cutoff switch, solar fuse there too, and everything. So everything's nice and accessible, but then hidden, so you have plenty of extra storage. And on this side, in the passenger, you have all your water access. 25-gallon tank, plenty of deep storage here too for extra stuff. This one's plenty accessible for all any fixers, repairs, or to see the water tank level and all that stuff. We'll show you on the outside, but it's just gravity fed, super simple. It's an outdoor shower. We can show you from the back too. So then also, the water heater is 12 volt. We try to keep everything we can 12 volts so we don't have to turn on the inverter. 2.6 gallon, awesome stuff, imported from Australia like always. You see it on plenty of other builds. Above the passenger side, you get all your roof storage there. You got on two sides of it, all finished out like we always do. Plenty of storage for all your clothing and stuff like that. And then to convert the bed, you're going to take both lagoon mounts out, take the boards from behind the driver's seat, lay them in there. You're going to take the big cushions and slide them in, and the little cushions and slide them down, and you'll have yourself a queen size bed sleeping east to west. And if you look inside the pods, we got ourselves a little piece of foam here. So what's going to happen is when the cushions are all laid out flat, that'll be your spot for your feet and then your spot for your head, so you got cushions all the way across. Now, let me show you around back. So here, you have more access. So inside this storage here, you got your low point drains, you got valves. You're also going to have the storage piece that's going to be for your outdoor shower. So you can actually hook it up, your handle. There's a suction cup for the window, and you can outdoor shower if you want to. Also here is your fresh tank fill on that side. In the middle, we spoke about, we got a little spot here. We got a 4-foot rocking tray. Not exactly for a bike, but for plenty of other stuff. And then on your electric side, again, you have a airflow there. It's going to airflow through pretty much the whole van out of here too. And then the gray tank on this van, we'll show you when we go around the side, it's a 20-gallon gray tank, and this is a heater pad for it. Coming around this side, you have your 30-amp hookup for your shore power, and then you have your Espar S2D2, that's your heater for the inside cab, that's the exhaust for it. You got your pods. We always get them bedline black. They do come, we could get them custom colored, we could get them body matched, color paint too. So there's a few things we can do to them. This is the first time we did bunk windows in them for a customer, but we can obviously do that. And again, these are insulated, unlike others, so fiberglass insulation, fiberglass. And then underneath the driver's side is your 20-gallon gray tank for your shower. That's gonna be an electric ball valve. There's also a hookup for a hose to dump it responsibly. And again, the heater pad if you're in cold conditions. And I appreciate you guys taking a quick tour of this with me. If you want a layout similar to this or something else, you can reach out at nomadrvs.com, or we're always on Instagram, nomad_RVS.
Hey, it's your host, Patrick Botticelli. Thank you for all your support throughout the years. It means a lot to me. And thank you for making it this far in the video. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. It's free. And if you would like your very own camper featured on this channel, please write to me at patrick@NewJerseyOutdoorAdventures.com, and I'll get back to you. And I'll see you in the next van tour.